Meaning of foreshadow.
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 Foreshadow. Foreshadow is a literary device in which the author hints at events or developments that will occur later on in the story. This can be accomplished through the use of symbolism, metaphor, or other indirect means. The purpose of foreshadowing is to create suspense and anticipation in the reader, as they try to guess what might happen next. Effective foreshadowing can also lend credibility and depth to the story, allowing the reader to feel more invested in the characters and their fates. Ultimately, foreshadowing can help to build tension and excitement, leading to a more satisfying reading experience.